Okay, welcome back. Got distracted by other things. Let's get on and fix this shit. Okay, where we were last time was we readjusted this heel board slightly because I should have done it with the subframe in originally. And so the holes are pretty much there now. They're not perfect, but I'm happy with that. That's good enough. The bolt could wiggle through. So basically what we just need to do is re-weld this heel board back in. I only had to make a slit, so I just need to cut a slither of metal back in, and that'll all be good. And then, yeah, work maybe on the battery box hole or others. I've ordered a new cross member, just a Magnum one. I should have gone. I must start using M-Machine, I do promise next time, because I've just seen some M-Machine panels recently and they do look pretty good. But anyway, we are in this situation. So yeah, what I'm going to do is hack that off, and then we'll weld the new new cross member back in when it arrives. Makes it easy to fit the floor now. It's all pretty much trimmed up around here. All I've got to do now is just grind off the old bit of the floor, which we need to roll the car back over to do. So anyway, let's get on and fix this heel board. Okay, undone my mistake. That's all sorted now. Bit of seam sealant, look lovely. Just cleaned up the backs now. These Valance closing panels. Gonna get a spot weld around this, and then we can try and get a couple of spot welds just on the back here. Not necessary, but it will stop it any vibration, that's for sure. And that'll be the back done. Obviously, still the battery box to do. But where's the spot welder? Okay, I think that's the rear valance finished off. Got some spot welds back through there. Got a little stitch welds just to hold the panel to the boot floor, and a bit of etch prime on it until we're ready to be shot blasted. So yeah, all good. So time to move on to something else. Wife's just got back now, so I'm gonna have to sign off for the moment. See if I get some more chance later. Okay, wife's managed to find something to put on TV, which is good. So yeah, I think we'll roll it back over 90 degrees and work on the battery box. Something a bit simple, although a bit challenging, just to keep our minds occupied for today. And then we'll go from there, because I think we've got to roll it right over now, just to, as I said, to grind out the rest of the old floor pan. But yeah. Alright, let's tidy up and clean up. Alright, well, we've got a pretty simple issue. We've got a hole in our battery box. I suppose I should have, I might just get the wire wheel on it, quickly run over the bottom of it just in case there's any more holes that are too big. But yeah, what we want to try and do is copy the other end there, the best we can. So I found a socket. This is my first attempt at going to do something. I found a socket that's the same sort of diameter. there's that curve. I'm going to use a bit of old metal and then try and clamp that to that and try and tap it round to at least give me the formed edge of there, and then these two bits we can do with just straight. So a bit of overkill really, you could just slap a bit of metal in there really, and it'll be absolutely exactly the same strength, you know, wise and must wise, you know, it's just solid metal. But yeah, it'd be nice to make it look the same, which you could argue much just cheaper to do a whole new battery box. But anyway, yeah, let's clean it off with a wire wheel, and then let's see if we can make form a copy of the pressing ourselves. That takes longer. It's not pretty, but at least when I think you're going to look under the car, it's going to look alright. I've just got 2 more little bits to go in now. They're going to have to be done next time. I've run out of time today. That's not too bad. It's going to be alright with a bit of stone chip all over it. Blown a little few holes, but that's alright. I can sort that out. I'll let that cool down for a bit and come back to that. So I don't know. Whether it's worth doing or not, I don't know. What's the question? I don't know. So it's it'll do, innit? I'm definitely not the best at panel work, that's for sure. But it will stop the battery falling out, and I set light to my finger as well. Ow, that hurt. The rubber glove caught a light, and then kept just burning in my hand. So anyway, yeah, as always, I say we're getting there, but we're getting there slowly. I did just have a look back. I saw something pop up on Facebook saying this time last year I was sealing and getting ready to stone chip the bottom of the jet black. So I must have been way ahead at that point. Whether I was spending more time on it, whether I was doing less videos, so I was doing less talking. Or am I just taking a bit longer on this one? I don't know. A bit hard to tell. So at the moment, it looks like it could be in doubts for whether this is going to be done for London or Brighton. But I shouldn't set deadlines anyway. So if it's not done for London or Brighton, it's not done for London or Brighton. It'll be done at some point. And we keep on cracking on. So anyway, onwards and upwards. Don't know what day this is going to go out. Because I've got the race car video, even though it's a very short one. So why not? Let's do this Tuesday. So it's Pasta Ping Tuesday. Always Pasta Ping. Well, Pasta Tuesday. Anyway, alright, thanks for following everyone. And as I said before, check out my Patreon page if you want to be a Patreon, and you get to see one of the other projects which will be coming up in the future, that's for sure. But just not yet. So, but don't worry, guys. If you don't want to become a Patreon, you will see that project eventually. Just when I get round to it. All right, guys. That'll do. See you tomorrow.